I am Eustace Rulinitis, a third-year HLA computer science apprentice at Applied Systems.
I'm Martinas Mokshetskas, and I am a student in Portadown SRC doing my higher level apprenticeship in computing.
I work on project work and miscellaneous tasks that are pulled from a job board. I am currently working on increasing security on one of our available payment methods. I work on a team that is focused on payment-based work, such as adding new providers or fixing any defects that are found in the payment process. In the past, I have worked on automated testing of our program to ensure as little bugs are present as possible. Last year, I have also worked on adding a new card-based payment provider, which allows you to enter card details over the phone without telling them to the agent on the other side of the call.
I work for Applied Systems. The product that I work on is eQuote, which is a system designed to allow you to get motor quotes, motor insurance quotes, home insurance quotes, and commercial vehicle quotes on your website in the web browser.
The main technical skill is the use of C# to write all the code of the program. I also have had to integrate services that require API calls, which required knowledge of HTML calls and how to process proper authentication. In addition, I have used SQL to write scripts that access and alter a user's database.
Would mainly be using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but we would be using a library of JavaScript called jQuery. And then in the back end, we'll be using C# and SQL as the server.
My course has covered both C# and SQL, which allowed me to understand the basics of programming for those languages, which I have built upon during my time at Applied.
Through the SRC, I think I've gained a better understanding of what I'm actually developing and the broader aspect of it. So whenever I'm creating setting up a new page, I know how to do all that through work already, but then what I've been taught through SRC, know how it actually works and through the ports, and sort of it gives you all the background knowledge, all the theory that you wouldn't get while working on the job. So it really does help fill in some gaps that you have from work, and it also allows you to be better, to have better solutions and have better approaches to your problems once you have a broader understanding of the actual technologies you use, which I think the course content in SRC has really covered that well, really helped.
What I'm most proud of is integrating a service called PCI Pal, which is the card-based payment provider I mentioned before. Building on it required me to learn new skills, which started me on the path of understanding how to use APIs.
In my past 2.5 years working in Applied, I've worked on countless projects. A major one that lasted over 6 months was a SECA project, which was like a legislation brought in by the Irish government.
Looking at the structure of courses, I fully endorse them. They have a wide variety of skills and technical knowledge. That means you'll have some relevant level of knowledge relating to what future employers are looking for.
I really think that the SRC has provided me with all the tools. It's given me a start to my career through the assistance at the very start with the interview process, and then on regular catch-ups in the tutorial. It's all been very helpful, and I would definitely recommend doing a higher level apprenticeship.